Assalamu alaikum friends, this is Rashid, and in this tutorial I will tell you about the zoom function in MS Word 2013. So here you can see this is the zoom area. If I select this is for web. If I select on it will give the data look as you are on any web, or you are on any website. So it's the normal, and it's the reading mode. Right now your document is in reading mode and you can read it very easily, right? Then I will just apply normal, and from here you can zoom in, that's zoom in and that's zoom out, right? So here is when you will click here, then that window will pop up. From here you can check all the like you can say all the formats of zoom. Firstly I will click on 200%, it will show like that. Then I will click on 100%, that's normal. 75%, right? Then page width, it will be like that, 157%. Text width, it will be 203%. Whole page, it will show me the whole page. And when you click here, it will give me the all pages which are consist on which my document is consist. So from here I will just apply the norm. So this is the feature of a zoom in Microsoft Word 2013, and you can use by this as I told you. So thank you very much for your time, and see you in the next one. Thank you.